Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So first off, I want to apologize for not uploading as much videos as I should because I've been really sick and I'm actually on medication right now, and I thought I was getting better, but last night I had really bad pain in the back of my neck and behind the shoulders. I can barely get out of bed to go to the bathroom. The pain was so bad. I woke up this morning with pains in all my joints. So I am really in a lot of pain, but I'm on the medication, so it's okay for now. But once it wears off, I'm gonna have to take more medication. I might have to go back to the doctor because I'm really not feeling well, and I don't want to not feel well for the holidays because I love the holidays so much and I love to shop and just have a really nice time at home with my fiance during the holidays. So it was a real struggle today to do this video and sit in front of the camera because it just takes a lot out of me, and I'm not feeling as energetic as I used to be before. And that is why I do a lot of videos behind the camera, because then I don't have to put on my makeup. I don't have to wear presentable clothes. I don't have to fix my hair and all these things. When I sit behind the camera, I can be in my pajamas. Nobody's gonna know or judge me because of that. So I mean, it's so much easier, but I really want to do videos sitting in front of the camera, and I've got so many things to show you guys, but it's like every time my fiance goes back to work, it's always something. It's either I'm sick or I got work and then I don't get to do these videos, and I keep getting stuff and it's getting this big and I'm not finding the time to do these videos. So I'm gonna have to try as best as I can. And I've got one of the blinds down because there's a house being built next door, and I don't know if the workers can see in or not, but I just wanted to put that blind down so that I have a little bit of privacy. So anyways, I've had these things a while, except for the one in the box. So I've got two Zulily envelope type ones, and then I've got this one that's in a box. So when we picked this one up recently, and my fiance usually goes in to pick up the mail, and the lady behind the counter, she's like, just one box today, because she knows I order so much stuff. But because of the Canada Post rotating strikes, I do have stuff coming, like Christmas presents as well. It's just a little bit slower because it might be striking where the mail has to be coming from, so it's just slower, but you do get your mail, which is good that I started ordering these things early because I don't want to not have Christmas presents for my fiance. So I'm gonna start with the envelope one first. I don't want to ramble too much because I'd like to go and relax a little bit. I went for a walk today and I feel super exhausted. So this one had a little, it was wrapped in another packaging. I'm mostly looking for like ornament type stuff from Zulily because they sell nice ornaments. So this is actually an ornament. It's a Santa Claus art glass ornament. I hope it's not broken. Okay, so look at this. You can put it on the tree. I'm gonna have to put a stronger string because this is all glass and I don't want it to get broken. So that is what that looks like. It's so cute. It looks just like it looks on the site. Oh, that is gorgeous. I like that. He's gonna look cute on my tree. I know I always say I'm not gonna be buying more ornaments because the tree has so much stuff. I always have to be looking and looking before I can hang things. But they sell such cute things that I just can't resist. So I'm trying to do this video because I feel better now. Because who knows what's gonna happen later on. So in this other one, I've got two hoodies. You guys know how I love my hoodies. And one is peach and fuchsia, and the other one is navy and blush floral. They're like the cold shoulder style. So I saw these and let me just have a look and see what they look like. I hope they're nice. Okay, so that is what this looks like. This must be the peach and fuchsia. I kind of don't like the stitching around there, but I mean, I can just wear this like to go to the store or whatever. I don't care for the stitching. It looks kind of rough, like you can see there, but that's the hood. And it's got like a band on the bottom, and you've got your cold shoulder here. And this is in a size medium. So they had these in like 4 colors, but I said, well, I like 3 out of the 4. I said, well, I don't want to buy them all and then I don't like them. So I would probably give this a 5 out of 10 because I don't really know if I care for that too much. And then this one is the navy and blush floral one. Same stitching. It looks like when you stitch, like when you've got something turned inside out, that's what it reminds me of. I don't care for that stitching at all. And even if you look here, the edging is rough. Like I would need to cut this so that it doesn't look so rough. Maybe it's just the way the style is supposed to be, looking like a distressed kind. I am not sure, but anyways, this is the same style with the cold shoulders, and this is what this looks like. Pretty plain in the back, but I'll wear them. So I just had to stop my camera there because I'm starting to overheat, and it's probably from the medication. Plus I'm wearing long sleeves, so that could be another reason. So I'm just gonna open up this box, and I think this is going to be an ornament as well. So here's what it looks like. It's the Snow House light up figurine. So let's see if this is as nice as it looks on the site. So guys, I stopped my camera because I had to open up this figurine, and you wouldn't believe how much paper was wrapped up on this thing. That much. So, I mean, I didn't want to be unwrapping this on camera and making a bunch of noise with it. But at least they took the time to wrap it really good. So, that's the main thing. So, I know it's going to use batteries, and it's probably going to be the watch battery type one. So, I don't know if I'll light it up. But because I have my Christmas village, I just thought this would look good in there. And I don't even know if it'll work too, so that's another thing. So this is what it looks like, and it's by the brand Transpac, and they seem to have cute little ornaments. And I thought this was kind of cute. It'll look nice in my Christmas village because it'll match up with the other little houses and the little people that I have in there. Oh, it has batteries in there. You probably wouldn't see it as good because it's bright now, but once it's dark it'll show better. The lighting is inside there, and then it's on, you'll see it on the side there as well. So not too bad. I didn't pay too much for these because I don't go for too much expensive things, because I'm just buying off of a website and I don't know what I'm getting. So, you know, I don't want to invest in expensive stuff and then have to return them because I didn't like it, or, you know, if it's clothing, it just didn't fit or whatever. So I usually go with the cheaper stuff. And like I said, my friend, she's willing to take them off my hands if I don't like them, because her family has a store back home where they can sell the stuff, so they wouldn't mind taking it. So that was my little haul. I'm not too impressed with the hoodies, but they'll work. I'll wear them. Probably if I gotta go to the store or something, you know, it's not far away, so I'll be able to wear them with my jeans or my jeggings, whichever, or even just leggings. So that was my video, guys. I'm gonna go put everything away because I don't like to see too many things around me. It kind of confuses the brain. So I'm gonna go put those away and probably have a little bit of a rest or whatever. So I don't know when again I'm gonna sit in front of the camera. It depends on how I feel, and I'm trying my best to feel better, but we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And you can leave some comments down below if you liked anything you saw in the video, or maybe if you've ordered from Zulily before. Just let me know, and please keep it positive, no negative comments, or your comment will not be approved, because all comments that come to my videos, they are held until I approve them. I've set it up that way because I used to have a lot of rude comments coming in. So if you're gonna be rude, don't even waste your time, because your comment will not show up on the video. Okay guys, well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys are having a good week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye guys.